Guys, welcome. This video is captured for the purpose of the machine learning application created for the basis of Cotton Procurement Plan for the Thiagarajar Mills for the Madurai Connect 2K18 competition. So our problem statement is to create a cotton procurement application for the Thiagarajar Mills. So the algorithm we used to for this machine learning is we use the Anaconda libraries in Python. So basically it comes with the Jupyter notebook, and we use the Jupyter notebook to link the software, and here's the Jupyter notebook. And actually basically our basic plan is to create separate models for each type of cotton so that they can predict the next 3 years. Make a note of the 3 years values of the cotton to be bought so that they can be predicted before. First, let's see about the cotton procurement. We have initially created the back end of the software, and we are working on the front end using the bootstrap that will be delivered soon. Within that will be finished by a week. Okay, let's go on and see the algorithm. Actually, we use the MLP regressive algorithm, which is the most efficient algorithm from our tested algorithms. It is given better results than the other regression algorithms, so we've used it. It has given 90% accuracy, 99% accuracy results that we tested, so we used that. Okay, let's go and see that. This is the actual code for that, and actually I just added up the modules for every cotton. I have not separated for the modules each and every model so that it would be easy for explanation. Okay, and this is a model for the OE cotton, followed by the model for the ME cotton prediction for the next 3 years, and followed by the other cottons. Okay, ME, MC, DC cotton model, followed by the important cottons like IM1, IM2, IM3, IM4, IM5, and IM6 cotton varieties, and other important problem statement given to us is to predict the marketing prediction. So luckily we have added that too in our module, and this is the IM6 model, and you can see here this is the inclusion of the marketing team prediction. We also included that, and that's our advantage. Okay, and I already ran the code so that the video can be completed quickly, and here it's given the answers for the predicted values. First follow the predicted values of predicted OE value for the next 3 years. It's 509, 5258 and 532, and the ME values for the next 3 years followed by MC, DC, IM1, IM2, IM3, IM4, IM5 and IM6. And this is the uniqueness of our project. We have also included the marketing team prediction for the next 3 years. And another advantage of our product is that we have also added the graphical analysis of the prediction. We have included graphs in the project. That's it, basic. Okay, actually this is the code for the graph, and we have also compiled this one. Okay, and here's the code for that. Here's the graph. The graph, the lines on the blue are the actual values of the cotton, and the red values are the predicted values, and you can see that the variations are very less. And the other unique factor in MLP regressive algorithm is the variation shrinks over time, and it just decreases over the time, and it will be very minute when the large data set is given, that the machine learns, the algorithm learns over the data over the dates, and it will be predict more accurately in the following days. Actually, the working procedure of our modules are that is based on the small CSV sheet access the database for our project, and here's the OE actual data where the user actually logs the data, and it will be written here, and the following years will be also loaded here, and this is the factor that differentiates us project. This is the marketing introduction that can also be included in the CSV sheet, so that these values will all also be taken in consideration by the algorithm, and they will be given priorities, and the respective prediction values will be outputted to the user, and the predicted values will also be loaded into the CSV sheet, and so that the records can be maintained for the future users, and they can be retrieved when needed. Okay. And the user can also see the records over the years, and that's also in fact included in our software. The user can first the user can log the data, and second the user can predict the data, and third factor in our software is the user can view the results, the predicted values and actual values and marketing predictions, and they can use it as a database like that. And we actually mentioned that there are separate modules for each and every type of cotton: OE, ME, MC, DC, and there are actually 10 type of modules in which there are separate in which there are modules for actual and marketing analysis, and the predicted values will be written in the respective columns, and so that they can be viewed in later. Okay, that's it, our model, and we're working on the front end, and that will be delivered soon. Thank you.